So let's do Tigun today, right? I hope all of you are familiar with Egun, Dogun, Tigun, Chogun, Panchgun, right? We can go on like that. Basically, what it means is how many syllables are you counting per beat, right? If I count one syllable per beat, like here, if you see, it is dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, da. So these are the beats, right? First beat, second beat, third beat, and how many I'm counting for each beat. So that becomes your egun. Now if I count two syllables here, if I said for each beat dha dhin dhin dha dha dhin dhin dha dha din din da da dhin dhin na, it ends at 8, right? Because 16 matras are there. I said 2 in each beat, so I completed it at 8. So similarly, Tigun is when you say 3 per beat, right? If I said dha dhin dhin for the first beat, okay, dha dha dhin for the second beat, right? Then I would be in Tigun. So what happens when I'm in Tigun is that since for each syllable I am telling 3 matras, I can complete this avartan 3 times in Tigun. Similarly, if I take Panchgun, because I am telling 5 syllables in every beat, I can complete 5 cycles. This whole avartan, right? I can tell it 5 times if I am going to count in Panchgun. Okay? So that's how you understand, each of these, speeds. Now, we are concentrating on Tigun today. So in Tigun, as I said, I will tell 3 beats per syllable. Now I have again written my beats here, right? Now stop looking at this. Now you look like this. I have written each beat, and in each beat I am telling 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. What have I written? Dha, din, din, da, dha, din, din, da, da, din, din, da, dha, din, din, da. Right? So if you see, my first avartan closes here, my second avartan closed somewhere in 11, and my third avartan ends in 16. Okay? Now, how to say and do, how to say and dance Tigun, right? You must have all found it. I found it, a little bit of a challenge to kind of learn how to count with my fingers. One trick that I found that helps is always remember what comes at 4, 8, 12 and 16. Okay? So 4, 8, 12 and 16, when you go counting like this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 4, 8, 12 and 16 come at the tips of your fingers. So just try to remember what you should be counting, where you should be for, when you reach the tip of your fingers. So why that will help you is, wow, there's an ant. So how that will help you is, you would be able to, by the time you come to 4, if you have missed a beat, you are not at the right line, right? You don't have to count till the end to find out where you lost your beat. That's a way of keeping in check and making sure, that you are able to count, you're counting correctly in Tigun. Okay? So, if you see, just if you go over what I have written, and 3 syllables, right? I'll just show you how it comes. So, the first 4, right? You will be ending. So here if I call this as 4 lines, right? This is 1 line, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 line, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1 line, and then 13, 14, 15, 16, right? If I'm going to go about it like this, if I call this as 4 lines in the avartan, anumatra is what we say, right? So then I will, at the count of 4, this line would be completed. Okay? You just remember that this line has to be completed at 4. When I go to 8, this line, the second line gets completed. When I go to 12, the first line gets completed. And when I go to 16, the last line will get completed. So it was 3, 2, 1, and then of course the last one. So this is kind of easy to remember, right? So what I mean by saying this is, when I do the first line, right? 3 syllables. Just watch how I do it. I'll do it very slowly. Dha dhin dhin, dha dha dhin, dhin dha dha, tin tin ta da, dhin dhin dha dha dhin, dhin dha dha, dhin dhin da. Second line, I hope you noticed that we are ending the second line. Dha, tin tin ta dha, dhin dhin dha dha, dhin dhin da. This was the first line, right? Maybe watch this video a few times and you try it by yourself. You will understand. That's how even I have written it down here, right? Dha dhin dhin, dha dha dhin, dhin da dha, tin tin da dha, dhin dhin da dha, dhin da dha, dhin da. So you see, this is the second line. I have put commas, right, where the first line is ending, second line is ending, third line is ending, and one avartan is getting over. So this could be a good way of, these ants are very distracting, don't want to kill them. So this is a good way of remembering how to do it. The rest of it is practice. Dha dhin dhin, dha dha dhin, dhin da da, tin tin da dha, dhin dhin dha dha, dhin dhin dha dha, dhin dhin da da, tin tin da da, dhin dhin da dha, dhin dhin da dha, dhin dhin da dha, din din da da, din din da da. So now that we understand what is Tigun, I guess the next thing is to understand how to do Tatkar in Tigun. Okay, so how does a Tatkar come? Like when you're doing Tatkar in Ek Gun, for example, right? If this is the lehra, right? If this is the speed of the lehra that I'm playing, a snap, right? My Ek Gun would be ta, the, tat, a, the, tat, right? If I'm doing Dugun, ta, the, tat, a, the, tat. So for every snap of my finger, I am saying 2 syllables. Chogun, 4 syllables. Ta, the, tat, a, the, tat, ta, the, tat, a, the, tat, ta, the, tat, a, the, tat, right? So for every snap of my finger, I am saying 4 syllables in Chogun. Now, Tigun will come between Dugun and Chogun, right? 2 beats per, 2 matras per beat, 4 matras per beat. In between these two come 3 matras per beat. Now, when you want to do it, if you try to directly do with, dha dhin dhin, dha dha dhin dhin, dha dha dhin dhin ta, it is not going to come. An easier way to achieve this is to keep saying takkita dhikita. Okay, so for this was my speed, right? So I will say takkita dhikita, takkita dhikita, takkita dhikita, takkita dhikita. Now, in your mind, so there is your lehra playing, right? There's your lehra playing. In your mind, you're constantly saying takkita dhikita, but with your feet, you keep hitting ta the te tad, a the te tad. Right? So if you are going to go like, ta ki ta dhi ki ta, ta ki ta dhi ki ta, ta ki ta dhi ki ta. Now you will hit ta ki ta dhi ki ta, ta ki ta dhi ki ta, ta ki ta dhi. Do you see? I am saying ta ki ta dhi ki ta, but I am hitting ta the te tat, a the te tat. So keep saying takkita dhikita in your mind and keep doing thate tetat athe tetat with your leg. Your Tigun comes very easily with this. So similarly, if you want to do Panchgun, you can do takka takkita, takka takkita. Keep saying, catch the speed of takka takkita. Takka takkita, takka takkita, takka takkita, takka takkita, takka takkita. You say it like this, but keep doing tathe tetat, athe tetat, tathe tetat with your leg. So I'll just show you a demonstration of this. I have the lehra playing. Dhin, dhin, ta, ta, dhin, dhin, ta, takkita, dhikita, takkita, dhikita, takkita, dhikita, takkita, dhikita. Kita, dhikita, takkita, dhikita, takkita.